In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Word. If you're someone who often works late into the evening or just prefers a darker interface to reduce eye strain, this tutorial is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll have transformed your Word interface into a soothing and modern dark theme. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up Microsoft Word. Once you have it open, your journey to a more eye-friendly interface begins. Next, look toward the top left corner and find the File tab. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new screen full of various options and settings. Don't worry if it seems a little overwhelming at first sight. We'll be focusing on just a specific part today. Now, with the File menu open, you want to direct your attention down to the section labeled Account. Give that a click, and you'll see some details about your Microsoft account and other associated settings. What you're going to focus on here is the Office Theme dropdown. This setting controls the appearance of your entire Microsoft Office suite. Hover over to that drop-down menu and click on it. You'll notice several options, including the classic colorful or white themes. Today, however, we're aiming for a darker aesthetic, so go ahead and select either black or dark gray, depending on which version of Word you're using. Instantly, you'll notice the interface switches over to the dark theme, making it much easier on your eyes, especially in dimly lit environments. If you want to take this one step further and make not just the interface but the document background itself dark, there's an additional tweak we can do. Head back over to that File menu and this time choose Options. This opens another window with a host of customizable settings. Now, inside the options, navigate to the General category. Here, you'll find the section titled Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office. For an all-encompassing dark theme, make sure to look for any checkbox options like Never change the document page color and ensure it's unchecked. This allows the page, where you'll be doing all your editing and typing, to also adopt the dark theme. Once you've got everything set, click OK. Sometimes, depending on your system settings or the version of Word you're using, you might need to restart the application for the changes to take full effect. And there you have it. Your Microsoft Word interface and background should now be in dark mode, ready to offer a more comfortable viewing and working experience. This transition not only helps with reducing glare and eye strain, but also adds a modern and stylish look to your workspace. Enjoy the new theme and the relief to your eyes as you work more efficiently in those late-night sessions. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and feel free to explore other customizable features within Word to truly make it your own.